Today we are making 3 festive, cute, easy Christmas cupcakes. Welcome back to Shirley's Bakes Cakes. For our first cupcake, we are making a candy cane cupcake, and this cake batter, all I did is made some chocolate cake and I added a little bit of peppermint extract to the chocolate cake, and it makes it so yummy and just so pepperminty and all things Christmas. So to start out making our peppermint cupcake, we are gonna make some peppermint bark. I grew up making peppermint bark with my mom and I love it. I always have. It's just so much fun. To make our peppermint bark, I had in my house just some white chocolate chips. You can use any kind of white chocolate you have. Today I'm just using chocolate chips. I'm gonna put them in a bowl and throw them in the microwave. I'm not really gonna measure. It's really just throw some chocolate chips in a bowl, go melt them, and we'll start making our peppermint bark. After we've got the chocolate melted, I've added a little bit of peppermint extract to the chocolate so that it tastes peppermint too. Now we're gonna spread out this chocolate right on my parchment paper. Just pull on the parchment paper and it smooths out your chocolate. To make this peppermint bark a little bit more festive, I just melted some red candy melts, and now I've got my fork and I'm just gonna kind of put some red chocolate right on top of this white to make it more candy cane and festive. Now I just smashed up some candy canes and we're just gonna sprinkle those right on top, and also some fun candy cane sprinkles. We're gonna throw those on top too, just for fun. Now, after we've got our peppermint bark made, we're gonna set it aside so that it can cool, and now we're gonna frost our candy cane cupcake. I'm using my 1M tip to frost this candy cane cupcake with some red and white swirled frosting. So now I'm just gonna frost this cupcake, and we're just gonna start at the bottom and just kind of go 1, 2, 3, and then lift off. Then we're gonna add our peppermint bark, which after our peppermint bark is dry, just get a hot knife and you're just gonna cut into this chocolate so that it makes nice chocolate shards to put on top of these cupcakes. After we've frosted our cupcake, we are gonna pick up chocolate shards and we're gonna put them right into our cupcakes. Just set them in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Wherever you guys want, set them in there. And then we're gonna add a candy cane and a few little sprinkles, and there you have it, a candy cane cupcake. For our second Christmas cupcake, we are going to make a little winter wonderland. To achieve our little winter wonderland on our cupcake, I've made these before and I used pretzels, but I didn't have any pretzels this time, and so I'm trying to improvise because here at Shirley's Bakes Cakes, I'm all about the simple, what we have at home. So instead of pretzel rods, I used mini candy canes, and I just cut off the kind of hook on the top of the candy cane. So we just have a straight little candy cane, and that's gonna be the base of our Christmas tree. And now I just melted some chocolate melts, just some green ones because I'm just making green Christmas trees. I put it in a piping bag, cut a teeny bit off the end of that piping bag, and now I'm just going to start piping and just kind of go with it. Make a little Christmas tree and just keep going, just keep piping back and forth with your green candy melts, and you'll see little Christmas trees start to form. Before they dry, if you want sprinkles on them, that you sprinkle some sprinkles or whatever you want on those Christmas trees so that they will stick. After they're done, set them aside to dry. Now we're gonna start decorating this cupcake. For this one, I'm just using white frosting, and we're just using my big round tip. And we're just gonna frost it, so just kind of 1, 2, 3, just make a pile of snow on our cupcake. And then I just have some crystallized sprinkles. I'm just gonna put right on top of this cupcake so it looks like sparkly snow. And after our Christmas trees have dried, we're gonna stick them right into this buttercream. And there you have it. We have a winter wonderland cupcake. For our last fun, festive Christmas cupcake, we're going to make poinsettias. I just have some poinsettia cookie cutters. So as you can see, I have my red fondant, and I'm just gonna cut out 3 different sizes of poinsettia flowers. To make our poinsettias, we are going to put the biggest flower down first, and then we are going to put a little bit of water. As you're putting your second flower on top of the first one, make sure that the points are opposite so that it looks like a poinsettia. And now we're going to push a little indent right into that again and put a little bit of water, and we're going to set our final flower right on top of that. Make sure that's opposite again so you can see the points are sticking out all different directions like a poinsettia. To finish off these poinsettias, I'm going to add a few sprinkles in the middle, and I just have some little glue I'm going to stick right in the middle. It's edible glue, and I just put it on my paintbrush, just kind of paint it right there in the middle, and then I'm going to stick these gold cute sprinkles right in the middle so it looks like a poinsettia. Now that we made our poinsettias, I'm gonna make them gold because I have to make them shiny just to make them that much more cute. So I just have some of my gold luster dust. You guys know that I love that. And I'm not adding anything to it. I'm just going to paint it on top of these petals just to give that poinsettia some shine. Now it's time to decorate and finish off these poinsettia cupcakes. All we're gonna do is just do a little round with our frosting. We're just gonna go around and then I'm gonna dip my whole cupcake right into the sprinkles. We're just pick some fun sprinkles and I'm just dipping my cupcake right in there so the sprinkles just kind of go all over. And then we're just gonna get my 4B tip and we're just gonna do a little dollop right in the middle. And then we're gonna stick those poinsettias right there, right on there. And look at that, we have the cutest poinsettia cupcakes. Thanks so much for watching here as we made these 3 easy, adorable Christmas cupcakes. I hope you guys go make them in your kitchens and I hope you guys love them as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching here at Chili's Face Cakes and make sure to subscribe to my channel.